going on? It's your boy Avery B. I read the comments all the time. Y'all been wanting a workout routine, specifically a beginner workout routine. I see a lot of guys that's getting into the training, getting into that type of stuff. They want a beginner workout routine. And summer coming up, man, so I know y'all want that summer body. So I'm about to give y'all a workout that I used to do, and I still do, honestly, bro. But it's a good beginner, work your way up type of workout, and it's going to go from the top all the way to the bottom. It's going to get everything activated, everything right. I challenge you to do this, and if you could do it easy, I challenge you to do it with the time attached to it. So, without further ado, my nigga, we're going to get right up into it. And don't mind, like, going to get a pencil and paper and write down the workouts. I'll put it at the end. I'll take a screenshot or whatnot. But let's do it. First workout, man, is going to be pull-up. Pull-up is one of the best workouts, I'm going to be honest, bro. It works all it is. And,
turn the light on.
Huh?
Turn the light on. Turn the light on.
And you're going to see, I don't work out my abs. The workouts I do is like compound workouts, so everything works in congruence. So first off, man, we're gonna go pull-ups. The sets and reps is gonna be 3 sets of 12 reps. So we're going 3 sets 12 times. You can do either grip, how I like to do it. The first one, I go like this. Set 2, I go like this, and then 3, I go like this. So I change them every time just to work out different muscles. But like I said, man, you're just going 12 times. And don't think pull-up's sweet either, bro. Pull-up's not sweet. You know what I'm saying? Eventually, you're going to get to the point where you can just knock them out. But even for me, bro, I've been working out for a long time. These shits feel good. You know what I mean? You want to come all the way up, all the way down like that. You want to get you 12 of these in. Straight like that. 3 sets of 12. How you can do it? I do it either way. You can either knock out the whole 3 right there, or you can go 1, 1, 1, 1. For time purposes, so I don't waste y'all time, I'm gonna move on to the next workout. Next up, my favorite workout of all time, my nigga, push-ups. Now push-ups, we're gonna go from 12 to 25, 3 sets of 25. When you're doing your push-ups, this is how you wanna be. You wanna go down, up, you feel me? That's how you wanna be. A lot of people do push-up. Nah, we ain't doing that. We going down, we going up. Here, we're going 3 sets of 25. Push-ups a good workout, bro, because it's going to get that chest right. Like, everybody still do push-ups. Like, it don't matter how experienced you is, my nigga, you still doing push-ups on my mama. So you want to go 3 sets, 25? Let me really knock out 25, though, because y'all niggas got me lit right now. Hold on. Give me a pump going out this hole. You feel me? Y'all boys want to fill them shirts out? Look at my shirt, man. How my shirts fit. A lot of people ask me what shirt I got on. It ain't the shirt as much as it's the body, my nigga, on my mom. So next up, we're gonna go dips. If you don't know what dips is, dips work on your triceps. Come here real quick. Let me tell y'all what a tricep is. A tricep is most of your arm. A lot of people, they want big arms, so they do curls, which is cool, bro. But you gotta understand, your tricep, the back of your muscle, the back of your arm, is the biggest part of your arm. So if you get those big, your arm's instantly gonna get bigger. And to do that, you need something like this. If you ain't got a weight bench, you can use one of them. Matter of fact, I'm gonna use this. Cause this workout, you don't need no equipment, my nigga. Use what you got. So dips, this is all you doing right here. And for dips, we're going 3 sets. What we got on the board? 3 sets of 25. You feel me? Straight like this. 1, 2, straight like that. You getting them triceps activated. I like dips too. They feel good. Like workouts for me, bro. Them bitches feel good. Three sets of 25, straight like that, man. You feel me? So as y'all can see, if y'all follow along, we did pull-ups, push-ups, dips. All upper body. We work chest, arms, you feel me? Back with the pull-ups. It's your whole upper body, bro, in 3 workouts. Like I said, you doing 3 sets of each. So you're going to feel that pump. I challenge you right now. After this video, do this workout. Let me know how you feel. After this, man, we're moving on to the lower body. lot of people skip lower body, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people think I skip lower body. I don't, my nigga, you feel me? I do work out my legs. My legs look good. I just came from an injury, so hindered the process a little bit, but nevertheless, we still gonna get into it. First up, we got squats. If y'all don't know what a squat is, man, I don't know how, bro. It's easy. Straight like that, you feel me? Straight like that. Straight like that. 3 sets of 12. Y'all give me 3 sets of 12 of these. Squats, work all these muscles right here. You feel me? Work all them muscles. 3 sets of 12. Right after squats, we going lunges. Y'all don't know what lunges is, man? These bitches hurt. You feel me? I remember when I first started doing lunges, I could barely walk. All you doing in lunges is this. And it's not a full set until you go both. That's 1 set. That's 1 rep. That's 2. It's not a full rep until you go both legs. And you want to do this right here 12 times. 3 sets, 12 reps. If y'all see the pattern, it's pretty much the same throughout. It's either 12 or it's either 25. So that should be easy. Like I said, I attach a screenshot at the end so y'all boys can stay tuned to the actual workout. Straight like that, lunges, man. And the last workout is going to be calf raises. Calf raises is simple. All you're doing is going up and down. You're working these right here, the calf muscles. If you're trying to dunk, man, this is a good workout for you. All you're doing is this. Literally. All you're doing. And you want to give me 25 of these right here. 3 sets of 25. And after you wrap all that up, man, you're done. Simple, basic workout routine for the summer. Anybody can do it. Challenge you to do it. If you're not used to being in the gym, let me know how I feel, man. Comment how I feel. I would really like to know. No cap. Y'all boys stay tuned. Appreciate y'all for watching. Oh, the workout right here. Y'all go do it. Let's do it.